Hello, this is a smart construction class assignment from the Department of Architectural Engineering at Yonsei University. Let me introduce you to my house in a box project. The house I created in this project will be placed on the ground, but it's also designed to be available right on the truck. Like a giant camping car, I gave it the possibility to expand on the go and use it briefly like a home. However, its primary usage is still being placed on the ground. The default rule for this project is that the outer wall is 15 centimeters thick and the inner wall is 10 centimeters thick. Since it is important to block the cold, heat, and noise from the outside, the outer wall is designed to be thicker than the inner wall. When folded, it fills a box measuring 12.2 meters wide, 2.44 meters long, and 2.6 meters high. Floor slabs, ceiling slabs, and interior walls are folded when shipped. To prevent heat conduction, the ceiling and the floor slabs are also 15 centimeters thick, just like the walls. The interior space has a 2.15 meter high ceiling. Most of the structure moves during expansion, but the kitchen table and bathroom are fixed because gas and drainage installations are not collapsible. Appropriate human scale is considered while maintaining sufficient wall and slab thickness. This house was built with the goal of installation being done in 5 minutes. Since there are no detached pieces, the word expansion rather than assembly would be more appropriate for this house. All movements are performed via a rotatable hinge. Let me show you a video in the form of a floor plan describing the expansion procedure. The expansion process is divided into 3 major steps. In the first step, the floor slab is pushed from the outside and rotates down. You don't have to worry about the weight durability because supports are coming out from under the slab. The slab has rails carved into it to serve as guides for the walls to move. In the second step, the ceiling slabs are pushed out from the side. The ceiling slab is rotated up by a hinge connected to the ceiling of the hallway in the middle. At the final stage, the walls are unfolded. Users don't have to move each wall individually, since pushing the outermost wall will pull the rest of the walls to follow. The expansion procedure is very stable because each wall's moving range is bounded by the rails on both the floor and the ceiling slab. This is how the bottom supports comes out. Other procedures are performed by manpower, but the movement of the support is mechanical, initiated with the push of a button. These architectural beams have several advantages. It not only provides structural reinforcement for installation on uneven grounds, but also prevents heat conduction. Several methods to prevent heat loss and water leaks are included. Hinges have a standardized production chain, giving enough accuracy and tightness. On top of that, rubbers inside meet together and seal potential gaps. On the other side of the hinge, a plastic pad covers the outer surface. When the expansion procedure is complete, the voids in the rails are filled with silicone. The rails are primarily used to guide the movement of the wall during the expansion phase. However, they are also used as a space where the silicone is injected after the expansion process is complete. To sum up, standardized hinge specifications, rubber finishes between hinge joints, plastic pads, and silicone finishes injected into the rails will effectively prevent insulation and leaks. This home offers 4 bedrooms in addition to a kitchen and bathroom. There is enough space for a regular-sized bed in the small room and a king-size bed in the large room. The shortest wall is 2.2 meters long, which is wide enough to place the furniture. There is an electric stove and sink in the middle of the living room, with which you can cook meals. At the end of the hallway is a bathroom with a toilet, sink, and shower. Each room and living room is large enough to put a table for office work. Lastly, the front door is placed in the middle of the living room, and all rooms are equipped with good-sized windows at least 1.2 meters. This concludes my presentation. Thank you for watching.